Well, hi guys, it's me Mark Fiero and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, today's video is on deltoids and shoulder workout. So guys, today I'll go for 4 basic workouts which you can perform at home, at gym, anywhere. So without wasting time, let's start with the workouts. So the first exercise we are doing over here is a standing barbell press. Guys, I am using a barbell over here. At home you all can use anything as a weight. What you'll need to do is, when you'll go up, breathe out when you're going up, and slowly coming down you'll need to breathe in. You can use anything as a weight, a cylinder or any heavy object, as much as you can carry as your weight. For the second exercise, I have got a single dumbbell with me. Well, you all can use anything as a weight, a water bottle or any heavy object. Guys, again the same, when we'll go up we need to breathe out, and while coming down you need to breathe in really slow and come down really slow, contracting the entire deltoid muscle. Well guys, over here I'm having a single dumbbell with me, so I will change my hand and I'll go for alternative hands. First I went for the right, then I'll go for the left. Again the same. Remember guys, your body should not tilt at one side. Your body should be straight, maintaining a posture. Only your hand needs to go up and come down. You'll need to breathe in slowly while coming down, and while going up you'll need to breathe out. Well, if you all are having 2 pairs of dumbbell or 2 weights with you, water bottle or anything, you all can take both the weights in both of your hand, go up breathing out, and come down breathing in slowly and steadily. So the third exercise guys, over here I'm having a single dumbbell with me again, but lighter than the previous one. What I'll do is simple standing side extension, side lateral raises. Well guys, remember when you're doing this exercise, your hand need to go up straight. Your deltoid, your elbow and your wrist need to be parallel to each other. That's the best way of having a proper contraction in your deltoid. Well, I am having a single dumbbell with me, so I'll go in alternative hands. First my right hand, then my left hand. Well, if you all are having 2 weights with you all can go for both the hands together. Together they'll go up, breathing out, and breathe in and slowly come down. Well guys, it doesn't really matter your arms are straight or your forearm is a bit bent or it's inside. All what matters is your deltoid, the momentum. It should go up and come down. And remember guys, your knee, forearm and deltoid will be in the same height. Now the fourth exercise guys, for our shoulder, last but not the least. Again I'm having a barbell with me. Well, you all can use anything as a weight. Hold it straight, having a gap as much as required, a gap of your waist length. Now you all need to pull the bar up and slowly go down. Pull it up, breathing out, and when you will go down you should breathe in. Well guys, don't look up while doing this exercise. You all should look straight. And remember guys, your shoulder won't go up straight, it will go backwards to have a proper contraction. Over here guys, I'll show you all from all the sides. You all can even hold it from front. If you all are having a single pair of dumbbell, you all can hold it in one hand. The same thing, breathe out and shrug it up, and when you all are shrugging it down, breathe in. Your shoulder will not go straight, it will always go back, contracting your entire trap muscle. It's a 30-degree angle in which your shoulder moves back. Remember guys, slow and steady. So guys, these were the 4 exercises, 3 for our deltoid muscle and 1 for our shoulders, our traps. I showed you all 1 set to show you all how to perform it. You all can go for 4 or more than 4 sets guys. Bye for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.